Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie for iPad tutorial. Today we have my Audio Technica, what is it, the AT2005 USB connected to the iPad via USB-C. And we have iMovie for iPad open. So what you're going to do, once you're in your timeline, you're going to kind of put the tape head or the skimmer where you want to start recording. And then you'll tap on this little mic icon here on the left here. And then just to verify that you actually are recording on the right device, just kind of tap on it. Let's do that. Just tap, tap, tap. And then from here, you just tap on that record button there, and we'll start recording. Let's go ahead and do that. It'll give you a 3-second countdown. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. Testing 1, 2, 3. And when you're finished, you just hit stop. Gives you the option to accept, review, or retake, and I usually just accept it. And later on, I can actually delete it, but I want to have a quick listen to it. So let's go ahead and expand the timeline here using the old pinch and zoom. And now I'm going to hit play. So notice you don't hear anything. Sometimes with microphones and the iPad, you actually have to unplug it, and then you can actually hear the sound itself. And that happens because this mic actually has the ability to have a headset, headphones plugged in, that is. So let's go ahead and hit play. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's basically how you record voiceover with an external mic on your iPad. And this does also work with gaming headsets, so you can do that as well. Alrighty, talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.